Agroforestry, Enhancing Smallholder Farming Practices. Title: Agroforestry, Enhancing Smallholder Farming Practices. Introduction. Agroforestry is an innovative farming practice that combines the cultivation of crops and trees on the same piece of land. It is a sustainable and integrated approach to agriculture that has gained significant attention due to its potential to enhance smallholder farming practices. This article aims to explore the concept of agroforestry, its benefits, and how it can be implemented to improve all-scale farming operations. Definition and principles of agroforestry. Agroforestry is a land management practice that involves the incorporation of trees into agricultural systems. It seeks to create an integrated and mutually beneficial relationship between trees and crops, leading to improved productivity, environmental sustainability, and socioeconomic benefits. The principles of agroforestry include diversification, ecological balance, and resource conservation. This naturally reduces the reliance on synthetic fertilizers and improves the overall soil health, resulting in enhanced crop yields. 2. Enhance crop resilience. The presence of trees in agroforestry systems provides shade and windbreaks, protecting crops from extreme weather conditions. This resilience helps in overcoming climate-related challenges such as drought, excessive rain, or temperature fluctuations. 3. Biodiversity conservation. Agroforestry systems provide habitat for a wide range of flora and fauna. 4. Increased income and diversification. Agroforestry offers multiple income streams for smallholder farmers. Trees such as fruit-bearing species or timber-producing varieties can provide additional harvests and market opportunities. This diversification spreads risk and contributes to the economic stability of small-scale farming communities. 5. Improved water management. Agroforestry systems reduce water runoff and soil erosion by enhancing infiltration and water retention. The presence of tree roots helps bind soil particles together, minimizing nutrient losses. This aspect is particularly crucial in areas prone to soil degradation and water scarcity. Implementation and best practices. Implementing agroforestry practices requires careful planning and consideration of various factors. Here are some best practices to guide the successful adoption of agroforestry by smallholder farmer. 1. Selection of appropriate tree-crop combinations. Optimal selection of tree and crop species is essential to ensure compatibility and maximize the benefits of symbiotic relationships. Local node. GE in consultation with agricultural experts can help identify suitable combinations for a specific agroecological context. 2. Proper spacing and arrangement. Trees should be strategically spaced to avoid competition for sunlight, water, and nutrients. The arrangement should consider the shade requirements of crops and root systems to minimize interference. 3. Maintenance and management. Regular maintenance practices, such as pruning, weeding, and pest control, are necessary to ensure the health and vitality of both crops and trees. Knowledge sharing (PL). Platforms and capacity building programs can assist smallholder farmers in acquiring the necessary skills and techniques. 4. Integration of livestock. Introducing livestock, such as poultry or small ruminants, into agroforestry systems allows for the utilization of tree byproducts as animal feed. Livestock also contribute to nutrient recycling through manure production, which further enhances soil fertility. 5. Institutional support and policy integration. Governments, NGOs, and other relevant institutions play a crucial role in promoting and supporting agroforestry adoption. The development of policies and incentives that reward smallholder farmers for adopting sustainable practices can facilitate the scaling up of agroforestry interventions. Agroforestry is an agricultural practice that combines the cultivation of crops and trees on the same plot of land. It has gained considerable attention due to its potential to enhance smallholder farming practices. This article explores the concept of agroforestry, its benefits, and how it can be implemented to improve small-scale farming operations. Agroforestry involves the incorporation of trees into agricultural systems, creating a mutually beneficial relationship between trees and crops. This practice promotes diversification, ecological balance, and resource conservation. By incorporating trees, smallholder farmers can experience several benefits. Firstly, agroforestry systems promote increased soil fertility. The roots of leguminous trees fix nitrogen, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and improving overall soil health. This leads to enhanced crop yields and reduces the reliance on external inputs. Secondly, the presence of trees in agroforestry systems provides shade and windbreaks, protecting crops from extreme weather conditions. This enhanced resilience enables smallholder farmers to overcome climate-related challenges, such as drought or excessive rain. By mitigating the impact of these challenges, agroforestry helps maintain stable crop production. Agroforestry also contributes to biodiversity conservation. By incorporating trees into farming practices, smallholders create habitats for various flora and fauna. This supports the natural balance of ecosystems, promotes pollinators, and benefits other beneficial organisms. One significant advantage of agroforestry is the potential for increased income and diversification for smallholder farmers. Fruit-bearing or timber-producing trees can provide additional sources of revenue, spreading risk, and contributing to the economic stability of small-scale farming communities. Another key benefit is improved water management. Agroforestry systems reduce water runoff and soil erosion by enhancing infiltration and water retention. Tree roots help bind soil particles together, reducing nutrient losses in areas prone to soil degradation and water scarcity. To successfully implement agroforestry practices, smallholder farmers should consider several factors. Careful selection of tree crop combinations is crucial to ensure compatibility and maximize symbiotic relationships. Proper spacing and arrangement of trees are also essential to avoid competition for resources. Regular maintenance practices, such as pruning and pest control, are necessary to ensure the health of crops and trees. Introducing livestock into agroforestry systems allows for the utilization of tree byproducts as animal feed. Livestock also contribute to nutrient recycling through manure production, enhancing soil fertility. Governments, NGOs, and relevant institutions play a vital role in promoting and supporting agroforestry adoption through policies and incentives. Agroforestry is an innovative and sustainable farming practice that combines the cultivation of crops and trees on the same piece of land. It has gained significant attention for its potential to enhance smallholder farming practices. This article explores the concept of agroforestry, its benefits, and how it can be implemented to improve small-scale farming operations. Agroforestry involves the incorporation of trees into agricultural systems, creating a mutually beneficial relationship between trees and crops. The practice is based on principles such as diversification, ecological balance, and resource conservation. By integrating trees, smallholder farmers can experience numerous benefits. One major advantage of agroforestry is the increased soil fertility it provides. In agroforestry systems, leguminous trees fix nitrogen through their roots, reducing the reliance on synthetic fertilizer. And improving overall soil health. This, in turn, leads to enhanced crop yields. Another benefit is enhanced crop resilience. The presence of trees in agroforestry systems offers shade and windbreaks, protecting crops from extreme weather conditions such as drought, excessive rain, and temperature fluctuations. This resilience helps smallholder farmers overcome climate-related challenges, ensuring stable crop production. Agroforestry also contributes to biodiversity conservation. By incorporating trees into farming practices, smallholders create habitats for a wide range of flora and fauna. This supports the natural balance of ecosystems, promotes pollinators, and benefits other beneficial organisms.